Welcome back to Quick Guide. Did you recently lost your snap streak in Snapchat? Worry not. In this video, I'm going to show you how can you back up your streak in Snapchat. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Step 1. Open your Snapchat app. Firstly, you need to open your Snapchat app, and after opening the Snapchat, you just simply have to go to your profile by tapping to this Bitmoji into the top left corner. Step 2. Go to the settings. Now after coming to your profile, just tap to your gear icon and go to your settings. Now after coming to settings, you have to go to support section and click to I need help button, and after there click to contact us button. Step 3. Select I lost my streak and submit the request. Now after coming to need help section, just simply select I lost my snap streak here, and after selecting that, this tab will be opened. You just simply have to fill everything here and write down your problem into description box down here. Just simply describe your problem into this box and submit the request to Snapchat. And after submitting the request, Snapchat will get your request and send you an email with the possible solution. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update from this channel. Thank you for watching.